Tomorrow is chasing new adventures and following them everywhere. Fly Emirates. Hello, tomorrow.
Moving on to one of our headline-making stories, results of the Global Corruption Barometer 2013 report compiled by Transparency International indicates that Sri Lanka Police is the most corrupt institution in the country. Transparency International notes that the police have been listed as the most corrupt institution in Sri Lanka on prior occasions as well.
The Global Corruption Barometer, which is considered the world's largest public opinion survey on corruption, was held in 107 countries worldwide. Transparency International notes that over 114,000 respondents participated in the survey. For the second time running within 3 years, Sri Lankan respondents to the Transparency International survey rated the police as the most corrupt institution in the country. 64% of respondents in Sri Lanka felt that the police was either corrupt or extremely corrupt. Sri Lankan respondents also listed political parties, the legislature and education systems as the next most corruption institutions respectively. Transparency International notes that Sri Lankan respondents also listed NGOs, business institutions, the judiciary, health services and the media as being among the corrupt institutions in the country. According to the report, education systems are ranked the 5th most corrupt in the country. It is not that there are no mistakes in education. Some of the most corrupt rogues in the country are sitting in the chairs of principals of national schools. Children speak about this. When the principal first came to the school, he came by foot, wearing a worn-out pair of trousers and a shirt. They say that after 2 years, he has a scar in each hand and one in the mouth as well. Transparency International points out that over the past 12 months, 19% of Sri Lankans have paid bribes to fulfill their needs. Bribes have been paid for various services including police, lands, taxation and judicial affairs. While 47% of Sri Lankan respondents feel that the government has been ineffective in dealing with corruption, 33% feel that the government does have the ability to address the problem.
The finding of the research, although it is an opinion survey, public opinion survey, will be very useful for the policymakers to take appropriate action to fight corruption and curb corruption, strengthen the capacities of the anti-corruption agencies and also provide policies to fight corruption, because corruption, everyone knows that, is an enemy of development and also enemy of people, because the corruption means the resources to be used for development or welfare of the people are to be used for some other individual purposes. That's why corruption should be eliminated from society.
The chair of the Transparency International, Hugo Lebel, says that governments need to make sure that they are strong, independent and well-resourced institutions to prevent and redress corruption. Lebel says that too many people are harmed when these core institutions and basic services are undermined by the scourge of corruption.